Just got this in. So this is the Furibee H801, and this is a Wi-Fi based FPV micro brushed quadcopter. It's got a little camera right here on the front, and it transmits, this is the little antenna, it transmits back to your cell phone over a Wi-Fi connection, and it shows you video. Now the video isn't totally real time. It's got about 500 milliseconds of lag, but which is not too bad for Wi-Fi. Underneath the drone, we've got a decent build here. We've got quad blades, a fairly strong frame. It's got a good cover here. The motors, as you can see, the motor plugs are all very replaceable. So if you do burn out a motor on this, you can take off the cover and replace the motors. I'm actually going to open this up to show you inside a little bit. Yeah, see that right in there? You got a little camera mounted up in the top there. It's a pretty clean build, actually. If you wanted to, you could even remove this head, but we're going to keep it on and we're going to go for a flight. This is the battery that it comes with. It's a 260 milliamp hour, one cell, 3.7 volt battery. And now we're ready to bind to it with the controller. So this is my phone. It's iPhone 6 Plus. And this is the mount. It's an adjustable phone mount. You can not only adjust the size of the mount here, but you can also adjust it there. So basically for my phone, which is a little big, it fits in here. And there we go. Now I have a nice, decent grip on the phone. You could also add a little sticky pad if you wanted to behind, just to be extra sure. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and get the Furibee app. That's in the App Store. You can get that here. That's what it looks like in case you don't want to deal with the whole QR code thing, because it does come with a QR code that you scan to get on the box. You're going to go to your settings, and you're going to go to Wi-Fi. You're going to choose UAV. It's going to be some sort of colored thing. It's going to be like UAV 34B33 is what mine says, but yours might be different than that. But I'm going to connect to it, and now you have an uplink to the drone. And that's it, we're off. I'm going to start recording. So that's it, that's our little H801. It's got 3 rates. That's the highest rates right there. I'm flying really close here. All right, so you know what? I think it would be cool to, oh, we got a little bit of wind. I think it'd be cool to fly down by that wood and take a look. If I could get the wind from fighting me. Oh, the wind is killing me out here. After this wind blows through, we should be able to actually get moving. No. We got such a strong wind gust blowing through here that I can't get it to fight this wind. Let's try this again. All right, now the wind's passed. It's not a fighter in the wind. I can tell you that much. So yeah, I'm down there. We're checking out this wood pile here. Let's get a little closer. So what we're looking at here is a big tree. This is my typical flying field over here. I love to fly in here. This tree right here broke, and this is the wood. Whoa, what do we have going on over there? So as I was saying, that's the tree right there that broke. See if we can get a shot of that. Oh, I can see it on my FPV feed. If I can just get this into a gentle hover. But yeah, that's the tree that broke. And they've managed to cut it all up. And this is what's left of it. We got a pile over here. I'm flying between these logs here. We got a pile over here. We got a little bit going on over here. And we got some more over here. See if we can fly in between here. Probably asking for trouble. Oh. So what do I think of the Furibee H801? I think it's pretty good. I think that for the price, if you're just looking for a really, really quick FPV, Wi-Fi based FPV phone experience, it's decent. I mean, the camera's alright. The video is, you know, it's got a high latency, but it's stable. It didn't really cut on me at all. The flight time is short, but that's to be expected with a little model like this. So overall, I would recommend it. I'd recommend it. As always, let me guys know if you have any questions, and have a great day, guys.